Welcome, beautiful souls. If you have been wanting to start meditation but don't know where to begin, you are in the right place. In this today's video, I'll take your thoughts on the basic meditation and how you can start your own practice to bring peace and mindfulness in your life. I am Ashok and I have been practicing meditation for 3 years. I know how challenging it can be start. So today I'll break it step by step and share tips that help me find calm and clarity. First of all, we know what is meditation. Meditation is a simple practice of focusing your mind and clearing your thoughts. To experience peace and mental clarity, it helps reduce stress, improve concentration and boost emotional well-being. There are different types of meditation, but today we'll focus on mindfulness meditation, which is great for beginners. Okay, let's start. First, choose a quiet place where you wouldn't be disturbed. And then it could be a corner of your house, your garden, or even peaceful beach also. And then sit in a comfortable position, either on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or cross-legged on the floor. Keep your back straight but not stiff. You want to feel relaxed. Now you close your eyes gently and take a deep breath. Inhale through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this for a few breaths to relax. Now focus on your attention on your breath. Feel the air entering your nose, filling your lungs and then leaving your body. If your mind, that's okay. Gently bring your focus back to your breath. If you are just start out, aim for 5 minutes. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually extend your meditation time. When we meditate, common challenges. It's normal for your mind to wander during meditation, and you might feel restless. At first, don't worry about it. Just sit gently. Focus your attention on your breath. With regular practice, you'll find it easier to stay focused. So, remember, meditation is all about focusing on your breath and being present in the moment. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just make time for yourself to practice, even if it's for just a few minutes each day. I hope you found this video helpful and feel inspired to start your own meditation practice. If you have any questions or tips, feel free to share them in the comment below. I'd like to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video and wanted more tips on meditation, mindfulness and self-care, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and turn on the bell icon so you'll never miss a video. I'll release new content every week or every day that can help a life more peaceful and mindful life. If you know someone who could benefit from the video, feel free to share it with them. Meditation can really transform lives, and we really want it to spread that positive everywhere. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time and support. Until next time, take a deep breath, relax and stay mindful. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram.